Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the honk on your Tesla Model Y. First, navigate to the toy box icon on your car's large touchscreen display. Once inside, you'll find the boombox feature. This is where all the fun begins for customizing your vehicle's external sounds. You can pick from several preloaded options or even upload a custom sound file. It's a simple process to make your Tesla truly unique. To add your own custom honk, you'll need a USB drive formatted with MP3 audio files. Plug the USB drive into one of your Tesla's USB ports. Then, in the boombox menu, select the Add a Sound option. Your Tesla will scan the drive for compatible files. You can then preview each sound to ensure it's exactly what you want before saving it as your new honk. Beyond just changing the honk, you can also fine-tune its settings. Within the boombox menu, adjust the volume of your chosen sound. You can even assign different sounds to other external actions, like when you lock the car or use the pedestrian warning system. Always remember to check local regulations regarding vehicle noise to ensure your custom honk is compliant. Congratulations! Your Tesla Model Y now has a personalized honk that reflects your style. Feel free to experiment with various sounds and settings to find what you like best. It's a fun way to add a personal touch to your vehicle. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your unique Tesla.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.